Hi, hello and welcome to all the viewers who are watching this video. Well, today in this video I'm going to have a very candid talk, a candid talk on a very crucial topic rather. You might ask what this crucial topic is and why should you give this time of like watching a video or just relaxing, and hear me out. Well, you see, post this COVID-19, the entire employment sector or even the recruitment process is going to be a bit different. And people are actually racing and running to get an edge over people. Now, how would you get that edge? And is this edge actually required? If you want to know all these, please stay to this video. But if you are not very sure of what you are going to do in the near future, then you can very well skip this video. Oh, well, you stayed, and I think you are actually committed to doing something great in your future. Well, to start off with, I was actually going through a report that was published by Indian Express and Economic Times, which say that tech professionals and many other professionals are actually readily investing heavily on free and paid courses, which actually help them to boost their soft skills. Now, you might ask what soft skills actually include and why is it important for you when you are actually holding a good amount of technical skills? Well, a study conducted by LinkedIn says that 92% of employers believe that soft skills are as equally important as hard skills. And well, it's not me who is saying it, it's a report that is being conducted through a survey. It's a survey conducted by people who are actually facing problems. Now, what kind of problems am I actually talking about? Problems like when you have to present, but you are hesitant. When you have to speak into the camera, but you cannot because you never practiced or you never thought you would have to do this. In fact, during this lockdown period or post this lockdown period into the new normal when we enter, the social distancing is going to play a very crucial role in everyone's life. And this VUCA world, wherein everything actually is very ambiguous and uncertain, people actually, and specifically professionals, are very much keen on to having an edge over others so that they can put the best feet forward. Well, here we are to help you and support you, and I'm really glad to announce that our software, our solution, a patent pending world's first artificial intelligence powered soft skills assessment platform is live right now. You can literally go down to beishgo.com. It's www.beishgo.com. The links are provided down below in the description section, and conduct your world's first patent pending AI powered soft skills assessment. You ask me, why would you take this assessment? Well, let me be very candid and very clear about it. You need it. Why would you need it? Because this is going to be a catalyst for your growth. You want to get a new job? Well, you take our assessment and mark yourself on which points are you actually losing or the company's HR interest. Well, you are a business actually. You run a business. Your HR department is looking forward for the perfect candidate for a suitable job. Well, is the technical skill the only part that you look forward to? In this COVID-19, it's not the scenario, let me tell you that. So in order to make the best pick for the candidates and for the candidates who are actually applying for the same jobs, it's very important for you to keep the best feet forward. And for that, we are actually very glad to also announce that we are rolling out a 21-day challenge program, which each and every one of you can enroll for, and you can work towards getting the best of the best mentors, teaching you, hand-holding you through some very crucial topics of body language, some communication skills, some facial expression tones, some non-verbal cues that you can ace, you can master, so that when you are giving your virtual interviews or when you are going out in the public, obviously by maintaining social distance and giving your speech or when you're talking to people, you put your best feet forward. Well, we are not here just like any other company, just selling our solution. We believe in working with you. We believe in walking every step of your growth with you, standing right by your side. Take our assessment today and see what difference it actually makes to you. And I'm definitely sure that once you take this assessment, you are going to understand a lot of insights that you might have knowingly or unknowingly missed upon. And it is very crucial, and it's fine and it's okay to have missed upon those. Well, if you still miss it after knowing that there was a solution that you could have used for your own good and you did not, your fall is on you. We are there, we are here to help you. We are ways ahead because of you. That's all for this video. It is me, Ayush Banerjee, general partner here at BeigeCo, signing off for this one, and I hope to see you submitting your video-based assessment, so that you make us your catalyst of growth. We will surely handhold you and take you to the next level. Until we meet next time, this is me, Ayush Banerjee, signing off for this video. Bye-bye.